For nearly half a century, Voyager 1 has been drifting deeper and deeper into the cosmic ocean, an aging probe wandering beyond everything humanity has ever known. It was built for a short mission, celebrated for its discoveries, and then expected to fade quietly into the dark. It was meant to become a relic, not a reporter. But now, after 45 years in the interstellar wilderness, with power levels so low they barely keep its systems alive, Voyager 1 has begun transmitting something no one expected. Not random static. Not background noise. But patterns. Coherent. Layered. Structured. A Nobel Prize-winning physicist reviewing the data called it the most surprising set of measurements ever returned from beyond the heliosphere. And if the implications are right, Voyager's latest signals might force us to reconsider everything we thought we understood: the shape of the solar system's boundary, the behavior of interstellar space, and the hidden forces that guide the galaxy itself. Stay with me, because what Voyager just detected might reveal a secret the cosmos has carried for billions of years. The journey that should have ended decades ago. Voyager 1 launched in 1977 during a rare planetary alignment that happens roughly once every 176 years. NASA used this gravitational arrangement like a cosmic slingshot to send the probe past Jupiter and Saturn on a grand tour of the outer planets. No one expected this car-sized spacecraft, powered by slowly decaying plutonium, to become the most distant human-made object in history. Voyager captured volcanic eruptions on Io, glimpses of hidden oceans on Europa, strange storms on Saturn, and the thick haze of Titan. Then it shot upward out of the solar system's plane and vanished into the deep. But it never stopped working. It kept listening. It kept measuring. And somehow, it kept surviving. Now, its newest message is rewriting the textbooks. The 2023 failure that turned into a discovery in late 2023, Voyager's transmissions became corrupted. NASA feared the worst: memory failure, radiation-damaged hardware, or simply the end of a mission long past its expiration date. But engineers pulled off a miracle. From billions of miles away, they rerouted Voyager's 1970s programming into backup systems, a kind of remote brain surgery across interstellar space. What came back wasn't just corrected telemetry. It was a warning. Inside routine data packets were measurements that defied every existing prediction. A cosmic hum that should not exist. Voyager's plasma wave instrument detected persistent oscillations, ordered, repeated, rhythmic. Its magnetometer showed a sudden misalignment in the magnetic field, something theorized but never observed. The physicist analyzing the data described it as a fingerprint left by forces we've never directly measured before. According to the new readings, Voyager is not drifting through empty space. It's passing through a turbulent corridor shaped by ancient supernova shockwaves, an invisible region sculpted by the galaxy's magnetic environment. Voyager isn't mapping emptiness. It's mapping structure. The heliosphere was never what we thought. For decades, textbooks pictured the heliosphere, the bubble carved out by the sun's solar wind, as comet-shaped. But Voyager's data suggests something far stranger. The boundary is unstable. It bends. It flexes. It reacts to external galactic forces pushing against it. Even more intriguing, Voyager found sharp energy gradients, too abrupt to be random. These are boundaries, not ripples. Edges where interstellar particles change direction like winds hitting invisible mountains. These features can't be photographed. But Voyager can feel them. This has led some researchers to propose a radical idea. The Milky Way may have a hidden skeleton, an underlying framework of magnetic ridges and pressure lines shaping the galaxy. And Voyager may be tracing the first hints of that structure. An environment that seems to respond. Some of Voyager's latest measurements show that plasma density around the spacecraft sometimes rises and falls in a way that seems reactive, almost as if the environment has memory. Space, even 15 billion miles from the Sun, is not still. It pulses. It breathes. And Voyager is listening to its heartbeat. Crossing the heliopause, a cosmic collision. When Voyager crossed the heliopause years earlier, scientists expected a gentle transition. Instead, it was violent. Particles reversed direction. Magnetic fields twisted abruptly. Plasma density multiplied. It was like stepping from a warm room into a storm of ice. On the other side was chaos, a swirling, turbulent interstellar sea shaped by events older than our Sun. Voyager wasn't entering peaceful space. It was entering a battlefield of cosmic forces. The golden record, a message. Or a beacon? Voyager also carries the golden record, a symbolic greeting to anything that might find it. But some recent anomalies have sparked renewed debate. Engineers noticed tiny shifts in signal timing, subtle changes in background frequencies, rhythmic plasma hums that seem synchronized with the spacecraft's own transmissions. Some theorists propose an unsettling, though not confirmed, possibility. Voyager's signal may have bounced off something. Not intercepted. Not answered. But echoed, like sonar returning from something the instruments cannot see. One physicist even suggested that Voyager may have triggered a cosmic lock, and something beyond it has opened. If that's true, the golden record wasn't just a greeting. It was the first knock on a door we didn't know was there. A map of the invisible. Voyager is now charting a map unlike any ever made, not of stars or planets, but of magnetic seams, radiation cliffs, and pressure ridges. These formations may become essential knowledge for the first human starships. One reading even showed a magnetic distortion shaped like a spiral, almost like a strand of DNA, possibly part of a larger structure holding the interstellar medium together. If confirmed, Voyager is navigating the backbone of the galaxy. The final race against time. Every watt of power Voyager uses is a negotiation with death. Soon instruments will shut down one by one. Eventually the transmitter will fail. And then, the oldest explorer in human history will go silent forever. But before that happens, Voyager is rushing to send everything it can. Whispers from a region we once believed was nothingness. It has revealed that the edge of the solar system isn't a wall, it's a veil. And beyond that veil lies motion, turbulence, memory, and perhaps more. Voyager was designed to last 4 years. It has survived 45. And in the darkest, quietest corner of the galaxy, it proved that even silence has structure, and even darkness has a rhythm. When the last signal arrives, it won't be an ending. It will be a legacy carried farther than any human voice has ever traveled. So now the question is yours. Do you think Voyager has crossed into something humanity was never meant to find? If you believe some frontiers must be crossed, share this story with someone who still looks at the night sky and wonders. Because the universe just blinked, and Voyager blinked back.